It is the first of this year's eviction days from winter habitat for most of my plants that have to overwinter inside. Right now, I'm only doing the mint plants, the lemon trees, and the insulin plants. Even though our frost date is almost a month away, looking at the long term forecast for the coming month, these plants are beyond the point where they need to be inside. They can benefit from the sun and the breezes, and they can attract pollinators for the rest of the garden. So it's time. If we get an unexpected cold front, I can always bring them back in.